Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel MadBlaze Airdrop. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys on how to mine BNB. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe and comment. Without missing much further ado, let's get to it. First things first, click the link in the description box and it will take you to the Mine Bnb website where you have to input your BNB address and set up your password. It's the same process to register and log in. So you just get your BNB address from Trust Wallet, MetaMask or any of your desired wallets and set up your password and you are good to go. What I'm going to do is now I'm going to log in. Alright, once you've logged in into the website, you come to a page and this is what will show. Alright, once you've logged in and once you've successfully logged in, it will start mining automatically and you see your balance right here. This is it, this is your balance right here and this is where it's mining. As you can see, mine is mining right now. So what you're going to do is that once it has mined to your desired amount, you click on collect and wait for some seconds and it will add up to your balance. As you can see, it started all over again. So that's how you're just going to be doing it. You wait for it to mine to a particular amount and then you click on collect. That is the first way in which you can earn BNB on this website. I'm going to be showing you one or two ways in which you can also earn from this website. But before that, let's see how to deposit into the website. If you want to deposit into the website, you click on the drop down menu on the top right corner of your screen and click on deposit. Alright, now if you want to deposit, this website has two methods to deposit in. It has the manual payment method and the automatic payment method. What the manual payment method actually does is that once you've made your payment, you have to send to them after making the payment. That is why it's manual. So let me just brush you through on how to do it. You click on the desired coin you want to deposit. I'm going to click on TRX. Alright, now this is it. It's either you scan to send the drawn or you copy the address and send it. I won't advise you to use the manual payment method. I will advise you to use the automatic payment method, which is way easy. Alright, let's go to the automatic payment method. Now the automatic payment method, it says here that you just have to wait for it to deposit into your balance. So that is why it's easy. You just have to wait. Once you pay the payment, you don't have to wait. You don't have to send any Gmail to them. So let's see. You select the coin you would like to invest into this website. Alright, let's click on Litecoin. Now the thing is that once you click the coin you want to deposit in, you will have to write the amount in USDT. Once you write the amount in USDT, then they will convert it to Litecoin and it will automatically deposit. Now I want to deposit, let's say 7 Litecoin. So I'm just going to put in, let's say 700 USDC. I'm going to click on pay. Now I'm going to show you what they are actually saying. Now they say invoice created. You have to click on this link. Click on this link and then you pay your Alright. Now this is what I was telling you about. I put in 700 USDC and right here it is showing 6.9 Litecoin. So they already did the conversion for you. So you just know how much you want to invest in Litecoin, then you convert it to USDT and put the amount. Alright. Now you copy their payment address and then you send the USDT to them. If you send the USDT to them, it will show here where it says paid amount, but I won't be doing that. So that is how to deposit into this website to increase your mining rate. Now the next thing is we'll go to the bonus aspect where you can also earn BNB. Alright. Now this website is not like have to wait for 24 hours before you get a daily bonus. This website gives bonus every 6 hours. As you can see, I've claimed mine and the next bonus will be available in 4 hours. So that is how you come here every 6 hours to claim your bonus. So you just come here every 6 hours, unlike other websites that is 24 hours. So you just come here every 6 hours to claim your bonus. Another way to earn BNB on this website is through referrals. Alright, here's your referral link. It's not hard to find. This is your referral link. So you just copy your referral link and send it to your friends and family members, so you too will have some percentage. Now, one referral here is equivalent to 0.0060 BNB. That is another way to earn BNB on this website. Another way to earn BNB on the website is through visiting links, which is called short links. Well, it's just like visiting, just like watching videos in some website, then they get to pay you. But here you have to visit a particular website, and once you visit the website, they'll give you the amount. As you can see, if you visit this website, they'll give you this amount of BNB. So that is another way to earn BNB on this website. Another way to earn BNB is through bounty. Now, the bounty program is where you have to make a video about their website, post it on any of the social media handles, and then send back the link to the video to them, and then they'll process everything and give you your reward. The reward is from 0.1 to 1 BNB. So you can just make a short video for them, post it on Facebook, Telegram, any of the social media handles, and just send back the link to them and click on submit, and you are good to go, and they will give you your reward. Now, the part we've all been waiting for: how to withdraw from this website. If you want to withdraw from this website, you just click on withdrawal, enter the withdrawal amount. The minimum withdrawal is 0.006 BNB. As you can see, I've not reached the withdrawal amount yet. So I can't withdraw now. So if you want to withdraw, you have to reach 0.006 BNB. You can do your research on the website, find out more things about it, and you'll be able to earn more on the website also. So that is how to earn BNB on this website. Hope you've learned something new today. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to like,